Kababanggit ko lang walang kabastusan.
Walang bastos sa ginawa ko.
Na? Buti na.
Oo.
Ano, kahit malayo ka, alam mo sinesenyas mo.
Iniisip nyo kasi, huwag kang akong bahala riyan.
Ayusin mo naman.
Sabi ng pangalawang pipi, Ada! Ay! Dumaplis pa. Sumablay pa.
Bastos yan eh.
Walang bastos sa ginawa ko.
Hindi.
Oo.
Hindi. Nga. Pare walang ganyanan. Mga disente ito.
Dalawang pipi na lang. Sabi ng pangatlong pipi, Ada! Ada!
Yan, sigurado na ako.
Bakit?
Como facial expression.
Huwag mo tingnan yung mukha ko.
Anda!
Oo.
Anda! Walang ganyanan kaka.
Isang pipi na lang.
Sige.
Sabi ng pangapat na pipi, Ada! Ada!
Yan, sigurado na ako.
Bakit?
Ang saya ng mukha mo eh.
Huwag mo tingnan yung mukha
Ada!
ko.
Anda! Walang ganyanan kaka.
Akala ko ba nakakabasa ka ng sign language?
Wala akong naintindihan, puro bastos.
Pwes, makinig kang mabuti, ipapaliwanag kung bakit hindi bastos ang ginawa ko.
Dapat lang.
Yung apat na piping yun, hindi magkakakilala.
Ngayon?
Noon lang sila nagkita-kita, kaya't nagtatanungan kung tiga saan sila.
Mhm.
O di ba't yung una, ganun daw?
Ganyan.
O siya raw ay tiga Tacloban. O kita mo tinatakloban?
Yung ganyan.
Yan ang tiga balik-balik. O kita mo binabalik-balik? O,
Yung ganyan.
yan ang tiga Masbate. Probinsya yon, Masbate.
Yung ganyan.
O, yan ang Panay. Ba't ko isang bunglit yung baka kinakain?
Yun naman ang kalukuhan.
Alahi kami ng matatakaw eh.
Pero wala pa rin sa airpot ko.
Mas matindi pa ron?
Yes.
Bakit na naman?
Airpot ko kumakain ng ilaw eh.
Yan ang kalukuhan.
Yan ang totoo.
Hindi kinakain ng ilaw.
Ibahin mo, airpot ko kumakain ng ilaw.
Ang airpot mo, kumakain ng ilaw?
Oh.
Paano nangyari yun?
O isang gabi, narinig ko, sinabihin nanay ko, Ling, patayin mo ng ilaw at kakainin ko na yan.
Hoy! Ibang ilaw yun!
Iba ba yun? Kala ko pre-pre walang ilaw.
Mukhang marami kumakain ng ilaw dito ah.
Porque alam natin ang Pinoy comes to music kapag manyan wala hangganan.
Totoo yun.
Tingnan natin ang audience natin how far they can go as far as music is concerned.
Sa papanong paraan?
Ba't di natin ibalik ang awiting sumikat noong 1950s and 1960s?
Aha.
Alam natin, majority sa guest natin yan, hindi na inabot ang awiting yan.
Totoo naman yun siyempre.
Pero tanda mo kaibigan na pagiging music lover ng Pinoy nasa puso't walang hangganan.
Right.
Kapag ang inawit ko yung nagustuhan nila, malalaman mo yan sa pamagitan ng palakpak.
Papalakpak sila.
Yan, kapag inawit ko yung nagustuhan nila, the same way, malalaman mo rin yan sa pamagitan ng palakpak.
Sandali lang. Ibig mo sabihin, parang contest tayo, parami ng palakpak.
Call ka?
Alam mo, mas maganda, lagyan natin ng pusta.
Sure.
20,000.
2,000 malapit sa katotohanan.
2,000. Maestro, music. Remember, remember, oh, oh, oh.
Only you, yes, can make
Dami.
all this world seem
Ang
right.
dami mong kamag-anak ha.
Tunay yan. Only you
1-0.
can make the darkness bright. Only you and you alone can truly feel like you do. And the thrill my heart would love, oh, only you.
Don't
Wala.
ever leave me. Wala. No, don't
Pasalamat ka na awa sila.
say goodbye. If you do, I'll be the lonely one. I'll sit down and cry over you.
My prayer, yes, yes, is to linger with you.
Daya mo, sinesenyasan mo eh.
2-0. Bakit?
Penalty!
Ano yung basketball?
Walang din, 2,000 lang eh.
And your lips close to mine.
Para sa mga senior citizen,
Yes.
you give your hand to me.
Wow!
And then you say,
I love
thank
that
you.
song very much.
And I can't hardly speak. My heart is beating so. And anyone could tell. You think you know me well. No, you don't know me.
Here's another song from the famous Platters to all of you.
Platters.
Heavenly shades of night are falling. It's swallow time.
Yan, quits.
Out of the midst, your voice is calling.
Kabla.
It's swallow time. When purple colored curtain mark the end of the day, I'll hear you, my dear, at swallow time.
Para sa mga nagagandahan din lang ngayong gabi.
Yes, to the rage of the house.
Oh, my love.
Yes,
My
wonderful.
darling.
Oh,
Thank
Leo,
you.
that's a song.
I've hungered
I love
for your touch. Are you still mine?
Doon sa lahat ng may mga bigote.
Bigote. Hindi balbas.
Oh, yes.
Ay, kukunti lang.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay.
Hoy! Not counted!
I-count mo na.
Tinakot mo eh.
Ay, natakot eh.
Pati babae, wala namang bigote.
My knees is such, I pretend too much. I'm lonely, but no one can tell. Nail sita.
How I'd like to look
Yes.
into that little book, the one that has the lock and key. Say I'm the boy that you care for. The boy's
Crazy. I'm crazy. 14 para 15.
Hoy!
I'm crazy for trying. Yes, I'm crazy for crying. And I'm crazy for loving you.
And they call it popular.
Wow! What a
Salamat
wonderful
po.
song.
Guess the level.
Mukhang panalo ka, Dong.
Kajut lang, kajut. How a young heart really feels. And that's why I love her so.
Well, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, reminding each and everyone to please join us by clapping your hands to rhythm.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
We will count para sabay-sabay po tayo, okay?
You ready?
Here we go. One more.
Here we go! Those were
Come on.
the days, everybody! We thought we'd never let we'll sing and dance forever.
Come on, it's good for your heart.
We live a life we choose. We find we'll never lose. Oh, we were younger, and sure you had a way. Lie, 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 lie. Ang kanya'y lay, lay na. Lay, 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 lie, lay, 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 lie, lay, 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 lie. Lie, 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 lie. Lie.
Thank you very much. You're wonderful.